Yeah. Wonderful viewers. Hi. So, you're welcome once again to Focus Your Life Mass. I just said, let me do like all these hype man. Yeah. Hi. All right. So, let's solve this wonderful math question. We are still under continuous random variable. So, the probability density function for the random variable x is given by, I told you that PDF, that's probability density function, is associated with continuous random variable, whereas PMF is associated with a distinct random variable. So it's given by f of x. This is the integrand. The function to be what? Integrated. We are going to deal with this man. We have the range, yes. As you can see, x is greater than or equals to 0 and x is less than or equals to what? 2. Another function to be integrated, 1 over 4 minus x. Then this is the range. X is greater than or equals to 2 and x is less than or equals to what? 4. So you are told to find the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation. So the solution to finding the mean, that's the expectation of x. You know the formula now. So we have what? Our integral from the limit, which is 0 to what? 2 of x, then of the function we want to integrate dx. As simple as that. So let's combine the two with addition. We're gonna have 1 over 4 and integral from what? 2 to what? 4 of x, 1 over 4, 4 minus x dx. That's all. It's not that we are finished. So let's continue to solve. Using multiplication by constant rule in integration, we're going to have 1 over 4 integral from 0 to what? 2 of x, then x times x, of course, which is what? X squared dx, then plus 1 over 4, right? What did I just do here, sir? I brought out this 1 over 4 earlier. It wants to come out. It's just like a pregnant woman that have a baby. It just wants to come out immediately. The baby wants to come out. So I don't want to come out now. Here is the baby, right? So we have integral from 2 to what? 4. Then we have our x, then times 4 minus x dx, right? Good. So we're having 1 over 4. Integrating this will be what? X 2 plus what? 1. All over 2 plus what? 1, right? We have our limit. Then plus 1 over 4. Then integral from 2 to 4. 4 times this will give us 4x minus x squared, right? Dx. Now we are going to do what? Put our limits. So we're going to, anywhere we see, okay, that's 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3, right? From 0 to 2. Then plus, this one will be 1 over 4. Integrating this will now be integral 4x 1 plus 1, which is what? 2, right? Good. X2 all over that same 2, right? Then minus. Integrating this one will be what? X2 plus 1, which is what? 3. All over the same 3. From 2 to what? 4. Are you there? So what are we going to have now? So we're having what? 1 over 4 times, let's substitute the upper limit and lower limit. So we're going to have 2 to the power of what? 3. All over 3 minus 0, right? Because if you put 0 here, it will be what? 0. So plus, we are going to be having 1 over 4, then times, putting 4, we are going to be having let's put it here. Okay, let's simplify this one first. So we have 1 over 4 um, times 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. We have 8 over 3, right? So which is equals to 8 over 12, which is um 4 here, 2, 4 here, 3. We have 2 over 3 for this one, right? So let's simplify this. So we're having 1 over 4 times 4. Anywhere we see x, we put what? 4. 4 to the power of 2 all over 2 minus 4 to the power of what? 3 all over 3. I like putting it in parentheses like this. Then minus, anywhere we see x, we put 2 at this time. So we have 4 to the power of what? 2. 2 to the power of 2, right? Over 2 minus 2 to the power of what? 3 over 3. So this is what we are going to be having. So let's simplify. We have 1 over 4 times 2 here 1, 2 here 2, right? So we're having 4 squared is what? 16. Then 16 times 2 is what? 32. So we're having what? 32 minus 4 to the power of 3 is what? 64, right? 64 over 3. 64 divided by 3. Right? So minus 2 here 1, 2 here 2, right? First 2 squared is what? 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. So we have what? 8 minus 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. We have 8 over 3. So we're going to have 1 over 4 into this one is over 1, right? So we're having this one is also over 1. The only CM here. Okay, let me bring all these things so that it will be easy for me, sir. Let me do it like this. 32 over 1 minus 64 over 3. Minus opening this minus 8 over 1. Minus opening this plus 8 over 3. So let me find the lowest common multiple, which is what? 3, right? 3 divided by 1 is what? 3. 3 times 32. 3 times 32 is equals 32 times 3 equals 96 minus 64 minus 24 plus 8, which will be what? 96 minus 64 minus 24 plus 8 will give me 16. I'm having 16 over 3, right? So I'll be having times 1 over 4, right? So which is equals to 4 here, 1. 4 here is what? 4, right? 4 times 1 will give us what? 4, right? Okay. So we're having what? 4 over 3, right? So remember we have 2 over 3 here and we have plus, right? So we have plus 2 over 3. Can you even see it? Good. Now when you do it, the LCM will give us what? 3 times 4, 12 plus 6 all over 9, which is 18 over 9, which is equals to 2. So our expectation of x is what? 2. Now we are going to still look for expectation of x squared. Let me clean the board. Now we're gonna look for expectation of what? X squared, right? Which is equals to what? Integral from we have 0 to 2, right? This one now is what? X squared of this integrand 1 over 4x dx. Then plus integral from 2 to 4 x squared of 1 over 4 minus what x dx. So still the same way we solve the other one, we are going to solve this one. Bringing this 1 over 4 out, so we have integral from 0 to 4. X squared times x is x cubed dx plus integral, bringing the 1 over 4 out, we have 1 over 4 integral from 2 to 4 of x squared times 4 minus x dx, right? We have 1 over 4. Integrating this will be x to the power of 3 plus 1, right? All over 3 plus 1 from 0 to 2. So we're having 1 over 4 integral from 2 to 4. This time this will give us 4x squared minus x cubed dx. So we're having 1 over 4 x to the power of 3 over 3 from 0 to 2, right? Then plus 1 over 4. Okay, let's integrate. Integrating this will give us what? 4x 2 plus 1, which is 3 over 3 minus x 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 4 from 2 to what? 4. Now we are going to be having what? 1 over 4. Anywhere we see x, we put 2, right? 2 to the power of 4 is 3 all over 3. Then minus what? Anywhere we see x, we put 0. That one is what? 0. Plus, that's the same thing we are going to do here. So we're having 1 over 4. Anywhere we see x, we put what? 4 all over 3, right? Then minus 4 to the power of what? 4 all over what? 4. I will close it with parentheses. Then minus, anywhere we see x, we put 3. We put 2, sorry. 4. So we're having what? 4 2 to the power of 3 all over 3, right? Then minus 2 to the power of what? 4 all over 4. We close it. So what are we going to do now? Let's resolve. 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. So we have 8 over 12, right? Yeah, resolve this one. Then plus 1 over 4. 4 to the power of 3 is 64, right? 64 times 4. 64 times 4. 256. 256 over 3. Then minus 4 to the power of 4. 256, right? Over 4. Then minus 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. 8 times 4, 24. Sorry, 32. 32 over 3, right? Then minus, let me bring this to this place so I'm not get confused. Then we have 30 what? 2 to the power of 3 is 8 times 32 over 3, right? Minus 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16 over 4. So we're having 8 over 12 plus 1 over 4 into the LCM of these two is what? 12, right? 12 divided by 4 times 2 first is 4 times 2 first is give me 1024, right? Then minus 12 divided 3 times 2 first is 768, right? Then minus okay, let's keep put it in our bracket. The LCM is still what? 12, right? We have 32 4 times 32, which is 128, right? 3 times 16, which is 48. So we have this 8 over 12 can be written as what? 2 over 3, right? Yes, plus 1 over 4. This minus this 1024 minus 768 give me 256 over 12. Then minus 128 minus 48 give me 80. Give me 80 over 80 over what? 12. So we're having 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 times, then this here is what? 12. Have 256 minus 8. So which is equals to 256 minus 8 is equals to 176. So we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4 times 176 over 12. So I'm having 2 over 3 plus 1 times this thing give me 176 over 4 times 12 will give me 48. So I'll be having 76 divided by 12. So I'll be having this times this 48 times 2 give me 96 plus 3 times 176 give me 528, right? And 3 times 48 give me 144. So 96 plus 528 give me 624 all over 144. So 624 divided by 144 give me 4.33 something. I hope you can see. So 4.33. So I noticed something that I made a little mistake here. 3 plus 1 is 4, and I went and still write it x to the power of 3. So this thing is supposed to be x to the power of 4. So which is over 4. Are you there? So we're having what? X to the power of 4 over what? 4. So this thing will be 2 to the power of what? 4. So 2 to the power of 4 over 4. Over what? 4. So we'll be having what here? This thing is supposed to be 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16. 4 times 4 is 16. So we're having 1 instead of 2 over 3. But it will not affect us much unless at our final answer. So that's it. So we'll be having, instead of this 2 over 3, we're supposed to have what? Plus what? 1, which is 1 over 1. So my LCM here is supposed to be what? LCM here is supposed to be 48. So it's supposed to be 48. So it not affect much, yeah? So what? Thank God that it not affect much. LCM is what? 48. 48 divided by 148. 1 times is 48 plus 176. So we have 48 plus 176, which give us what? 224 over 48. Then 224 divided by 48 will give us what? 4.666. Let's approximate it to 4.667. So this is our correct answer. Thank God it did not affect much. We got 4 point something in the other one. So we have gotten an expectation of x. Now we are to find our variance and the standard deviation. So let me clean the board. So the formula for our variance is what? Finding our variance, you know that variance of x, that the formula is what? Expectation of what? X squared, then minus expectation of what? X, then all squared, right? Then our expectation of x squared give us what? 4.667, right? Then minus expectation of x is what? 2. We're gonna square it. So this minus this will give us 0.667, right? So these are variance. Now looking for standard deviation. Recall that standard deviation is the square root of what? Variance. So we'll be having what? Square root of 0.667. So which is equals to square root of 0.667 is giving me 0.8167 approximately. So that's it. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.